So cool. You a troublemaker, man. I see.
I love it. Bobby gonna have nightmares tonight. He gonna sleep with his hands under the cover.
Let's go. Dollar waiting on the down. What time that 8 o'clock class supposed to start? I got goddamn. Only here can you do that 6. Get away, but I love you. They're not going to say it. All about that shit. You got to come up. Fuck this up. You like you stand there. Do I deserve to stand there?
Oh man. Got it. Legend Jimmy Johnson. Mr. Dungy, like what? Oh my day. Really amazing. All right, gents.
Selects from the greatest of all time. So now, the greatest of all time argue over who's the all-time best to ever throw for touchdowns, touch a ball, return a punt, read a defense, or play call. Who truly has the big chips on their shoulders and big game balls to push their chips in on championships and let the chips fall? Who's best among who's left that can heed Cam's call? Join the team they can't be cut from and be selected to the hall. What you trying to be? Good? I'm trying to be great. Are you going home early? No, I'm staying late. You trying to win games. I'm trying to win seasons. You trying to have a ring? Shoot, I'm trying to be the reason. I'm trying to outwork legends, see? I mean, it's hard to gain yards when you're throwing with ghosts. It's hard to stand on the shoulders of giants and run the post. If I can't be the best to ever do it, oh, I intend to be close. What, you got 2 workouts in? Yeah, I'm pushing for 3. You trying to get better? Shit, I'm trying to get free. You trying to chase them other fools? Well, I'm trying to catch fish. I'm trying to be in the hall, baby. That's where I'm trying to be. Let's go. Get the gold jacket, the pole, and the bronze bus. When they talk about the greatest in the game, I want my name discussed. I want them weighing my stats when they measure in time. See, I belong in the house that Rock built. I, the gunslinger of the bullet pass, coach choreographer for the end zone dancer. When